Unfortunately, it was disappointing. The president created the impression tonight that everything is perfect, that everything is wonderful in South Africa and all the good news stories that were put on the table. But that is not the reality that ordinary South Africans throughout South Africa are experiencing tonight in their homes where they are. The irony is that the president not only spoke as the president of South Africa, he's also the president of the party that rules the majority of local governments, the vast majority of provinces where people are experiencing no service delivery, collapse of infrastructure, all the time with corruption as a reality in their lives. That is the truth of South Africa. The other irony is that the president has once again doubled down on the failed economic policies of the ANC in terms of black economic empowerment, as well as international politics that is making South Africa a scapegoat in terms of where we should be in terms of human rights. Not one word with regard to Iran, but he claims South Africa stands for human rights. Completely unacceptable.